Toss me the keys and I'll give you a ride. She smiled slowly. I'm going back to the town. Then she sighed. Straight to the center, straight back to Maine. I hopped on in and looked back at the beach. Clouds were appearing, remembering my hat that was just out of reach, covering the sunset, covered with sand. The windows down, the engine sound, drifting down to the sea. The radios and radio blasted the summer of free. Windows down, the engine sound, drifting down to the sea. The radios and radio blasted the summer of free. Toss me the keys and I'll give you a ride. She smiled slowly.